5 tips that will help you become better at painting. Before we get started, let's do the intro. Hey there cute ladies and gentlemen, my name is Griffith and let's get started. Tip number 1 is that you should always have a clean palette. Any day, the clean palettes will always be better than the dirty palette. A clean palette will help you mix nice and saturated tones, and that's definitely better than having mud in a dirty palette. Tip number 2. Use fresh paints out of the tube. Similar to the first one, if you use paint directly out of the tube, then you will have more saturated colors. Tip number 3. You should use clean water. If you use clean water for mixing your colors, they will be less muddy as long as you don't mess up the color mixing itself. Tip number 4. Use good brushes. This one is ignored by a lot of people, but a bad brush can ruin your day and a good brush will help you make a masterpiece as long as you have the skill. Tip number 5. Stay calm during the process. If you stay calm during the process, then nothing can stop you from making a good artwork. Anyways, that will be it for today, and if you have enjoyed the video, then make sure to like and subscribe, and your friend Griffith shall see you in the next one.